You only have 5 minutes to do an updo. What are you gonna do? Let me give you 3 options to choose from. Let's go ahead and get started. So now I'm gonna leave out some hair in the front on each side. And this is just to make the back side look a little more presentable. I'm just gonna leave them out like this and just, I guess, clip them like this. And we are just gonna do a low ponytail. Now I'm gonna take these out. So now we need to do a 3-strand braid. So if you don't know how to 3-strand braid, I will show you real quick. You just split your hair into 3 equal sections and you just cross your outside sections over your middle. Outside section over the middle. Outside section over the middle. Outside section over the middle. And you just do this all the way down. And then I'm just gonna tie it off into a regular hair elastic. All right, so we've got our braided section, so now we are just gonna pinch and pull it all the way down to just fluff it out, make it appear a little bit fuller. I'm gonna take my braid, I'm gonna bring it up to the top of my head, and I'm just gonna squeeze the base. When I do that, it creates this little bun situation, and I'm just gonna take my hair tie, and I'm gonna wrap it around that bun. So now we have our ends hanging out, we're gonna pull them down, and we want to see where our braid meets our bun. And where our braid meets our bun, we're just going to open up one section of the braid, it doesn't matter which side, and we're just going to pull that bun through the braid and then just tighten it. You should wind up with something like this, and then I'm just going to kind of pinch and pull it a little bit. And I'll do this more later. If you have ends hanging out like I do, you can do a couple things. You can wrap it around your finger, push it up under the bun, bobby pin, but I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger, twist it, and just wrap it up and around the base of the bun and bobby pin. Now I'm gonna go to town, pinching and pulling on this bun, because I love a messy boho look. If you don't like that, don't mess around with it like I'm about to. So after pinching and pulling, you should end up with something like I have. And I'm just gonna press this flat against my head and insert a bobby pin or 2 into it to make sure it is nice and secure for the night. So now we have our hair up front, so I'm just gonna kind of smooth this back and bring it around to the back. I'm literally just gonna take my ends and then just kind of crisscross them over the top of that bun. And then I'm just gonna tie a knot at the bottom. And if you have long hair, you can keep kind of crisscrossing around it, but my hair's not long. So I'm just gonna take the ends, wrap them around my finger, and then just kind of push them up under the bun and bobby pin. So here's hairstyle updo number 1. Updo number 2, I'm gonna leave hair out in the front again because I just like the way it looks in the back. Again, if you don't have enough hair to leave out hair in the front, you can totally skip. Gather your hair in the back, you're just gonna pull your hair through, and then on the last time, just pull your hair tie over your ponytail a little bit to form a small bun. Split your ponytail into 2, and then we're just gonna divide that section into 2, and then just twist. Do just a simple twist. And you're gonna do this with the other section too. I'm actually gonna hold this in my mouth. So just do the same thing over here. And you're gonna take those 2 twists, bring them up over your bun, and you're just gonna tie them into place. And it's okay if you have ends hanging out like I do. Then you're just gonna twist those twists so it creates an opening, and then pull that opening over your bun. And make sure to tighten it. With the ends hanging out, same thing with the first bun. You can either wrap them around your finger, tuck them up underneath the bun. I have quite a few hanging out, so I'm just gonna twist around my finger and then just bring it up around my bun and bobby pin into place. So again, this step is optional, but I like the look of it, so I left hair out in the front. And I'm just gonna do the same thing as we did with our first bun. So crisscross, tie a knot, And I'm just gonna wrap my ends around my finger and push them up under the bun. Here is my last updo, and I'm just gonna put all my hair back into a ponytail. I feel like I could show you guys literally a million different updos that are less than 5 minutes. I feel like updos are just, it's my thing. I love updos. I love quick updos that anyone can do. So just pull your hair back into a low ponytail. So you want to create an opening right above your ponytail. We're going to do a topsy tail. So here's our opening. We're just going to flip our ponytail through that opening. So it should look like this. Make sure to tie it tight. Now we are just going to do a regular 3-strand braid. So divide your hair into 3 equal sections. And we are just doing a basic 3-strand braid. And I'm just going to bring it around my shoulder and finish it off. So now you can choose to roll your bun under, or you can roll it up over. I'm going to do up over today. So just roll my bun up, press it flat up against my head, and then just insert your bobby pin. Bobby pins, plural. So here we are from the front, and I will show you a 360. So let me know, I don't know why I always clap. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below, 1, 2, or 3. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.